We are here with Jenny Bradford, just following up the figure contest. Jenny, figure F. You did a great job out there. Talk about the experience of coming here to Columbus this weekend.
It was a really good experience. I got to meet a lot of different girls from different countries and made some new friendships, so it was a blast.
You obviously work very hard in the gym, getting ready for an event like this. What do you really want to work on when you go on stage to show off the physique?
I've really got to work on my overall look, I guess. My legs tend to overpower my upper body, so bringing up the upper body, bringing down the legs, and then my overall leanness. So I have some work to do, but I know what I need to do, so I'll figure it out.
Now, you're also a great athlete. You're a swimmer. You have that background. Talk about being a swimmer at the University of Kentucky.
I think being a swimmer helped me with the mental toughness of competing. It's really hard mentally, to stick with it for 8-12 week dieting and then going to a show and not placing. You gotta, and then to keep going. It's the mental toughness from swimming really helps me with competing.
Now, not just competing this weekend for you, but I heard you had a pretty fun photo shoot this weekend. Talk about that.
I did. I had a blast. You guys made me feel gorgeous and got some really good shots.
All right, so now you go back home, get back in the gym right away. Do you give yourself a couple of days off? What happens now?
I'll probably take a couple days off, get back in maybe Tuesday. I mean, it makes you feel better. I feel sluggish and lethargic when I don't work out. I'm probably work out without any, I'm working on this muscle. I'm just go work out to work out, so for a couple days and then get back at it.
All right, final thing. Do you get a cheat meal now? Do you get to go out and enjoy? What's next?
Definitely. I want some sushi and frozen yogurt, maybe some pizza tomorrow. Definitely.
All right, well, excellent job this weekend. A pleasure meeting you. We had a lot of fun with the photo shoot and covering the event, and we will talk to you again soon.
Thank you. I had a blast.